17 stylish ways to organize baby clothes. Need more room for your tiny fashionista's growing wardrobe? If you install a second rail in your little one's closet underneath the top one, you can double your hanging space. Baby clothes are short and do not need as much hang space as adult clothing. A second rail also allows room for built-in vertical storage space, which leaves plenty of room to store diapers, toys, and extra receiving blankets. It can be overwhelming to get a lot of new baby clothes and hand-me-downs from friends and well-wishers. Sort those tiny treasures by size, type, and season, and keep everything separate with some hanging size tags. This beautiful blue IKEA trolley cart, featured on Glitter Guide, makes for a perfect, portable dressing station and provides a great alternative to a bulky dresser. Just set this space-saving beauty next to your changing table, and you will have everything you need to dress baby right at your fingertips. Wall-mounted baskets make excellent storage for diapers, onesies, and other changing table essentials. These vintage wire hampers add the perfect touch of industrial chic to this charming boy's room featured on Hanging with the Hueys. Looking for unconventional ways to maximize your storage? For a little piece of hardware, a hook can hold a whole lot. This set of soft knit baskets, suspended over a changing table by a pair of handy hooks, keeps diapers and accessories right where mom blogger Amy of My Pink Life needs them the most. For even more room, try hooking up a row of canvas bags for storing toys, blankets, and other nursery essentials. If you cannot afford those outrageously priced fabric-covered storage bins, keep your money and make your own. These polka-dotted beauties featured on I Heart Organizing started life as a pair of run-of-the-mill cardboard boxes. All you need is a few scraps of fabric and a little hot glue to make these chic new clothing storage bins. A thrift store frame and some chicken wire is all it takes to recreate this shabby chic hair bow and accessory organizer, designed by Amanda of Amanda Medlin. Simply remove the backing, cut the chicken wire to fit, and staple it directly to the back of the frame. Clip a couple of dollar store laundry bags directly to your hamper to keep small items, like socks and bibs, separate. This neat trick comes from Chelsea of 221. When planning your closet, be sure to leave space for a dedicated cast-off bin. Having an accessible, pre-assigned place for outgrown items will prevent them from creeping back into baby's closet. This saves you the hassle of an extra trying on session. An easy, 5-step system can help you store and organize your baby's outgrown clothes. Instead of spending money on expensive clip hangers for your kiddo's closet, hit the dollar store for a pack of clothespins. Keep those adorable two-piece outfits together by clipping the pants or skirts to the bottom part of the hanger. This easy hanging basket storage hack, dreamed up by Bethany of Reality Daydream, is pure genius. All you need are a few plastic crates and a pack of cup hooks, available at most discount stores. If you are short on storage space, you probably can go vertical. This clever nursery organizing tip, featured on Oh Joy, makes the most of otherwise unused space on closet doors. You can mount a vertical, track-based storage system to the back of the closet door and add a combination of baskets and shelving. This is a great way to stash all of your baby's adorable socks, tights, hair bows, and diaper covers while still keeping everything up front and on hand. Organizing on a budget? If you can't afford a dedicated storage system for the back of your kiddo's closet door, a $10 shoe organizer will work just as well. This idea by Megan of Our Handcrafted Life stores everything from shoes to rolled-up onesies with this classic closet tool. If you are looking for a cheap and easy way to update your little one's closet, look no farther than your local IKEA. This lively polka-dotted closet space, featured on Project Nursery, uses IKEA's classic KALLAX shelf unit as a basis for a simple double-railed closet system. If you do not have dedicated closet space, you can create a nifty IKEA hack by mounting 2 rails between this elegant shelving unit and the wall. Tired of chasing down all those teeny-tiny baby shoes? Hang your troubles up with this clever and creative shoe organizing hack featured on Project Nursery. Simply mount an inexpensive suspension rod in your closet and use curtain rings to hang the shoes in tidy pairs. Try dressing up an old chest of drawers with a fresh coat of chalkboard paint with visual cues on where the clothing can be found and where to put the items away. This is handy for the entire family, moms, dads, and kids. With its cute lettering and neatly labeled drawers, this one-of-a-kind piece, featured on Apartment Therapy, is as practical as it is pretty. Why spend money on pricey drawer dividers when you can DIY for a fraction of the cost? These simple dividers, devised by mother of two and on-the-move military spouse Megan of the homes I have made, take just minutes to make. You need spare cardboard and some pretty contact paper, or use foam core board if you need something sturdier. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.